Today, I will be showing us how to build a moisture detector system. A system that detects the availability of water in the soil. And we'll be using the Lita network and robotic expansion board, microcontroller, which is already mounted on the expansion board. Then we can use an LED or a buzzer. Yeah, because we want to get a sound when there is no moisture in the soil. I'm using a buzzer. Then we have the moisture sensor. Then we have the JST connector. We have jumper wires, female to female, battery holder, and batteries. You can also use a 9-volt battery. So the first thing to do, you can start with any step, but for me, I want to connect the sensor. So you can, if you look very well, you will see I'll be using the analog pin, which is A0. I'll be using the VCC and the GND. So I will connect like this. I'm using the A0, which is the analog pin. So here, I will now connect this. I will check my VCC. My VCC is this, is it gray? This wire, and my GND is this, and my GND is okay. My VCC is okay. My VCC is this wire, this, and this is my GND, right? Yeah, this is my VCC, and then this is my GND. Then this one is my analog pin. So I will connect this VCC to. I'm using here. I can use sensor 1 or sensor 2 or sensor 3, but here I'm using sensor 2. And on sensor 2, you can see it's using D10. So you can see V, which is VCC. You can see D10. You can see A0, and you can see G. So I can use anyone, but I'm using A1. So since I'm using A1, I can quickly just connect my VCC to V here, my GND to G here, and this A0, I'm connecting it to A1. Look at it, A1. So I'll connect it to A1. A1 here. So I'm done with this. I'm done with this connection. The next thing is for me to connect a buzzer. So I'm using pin 9. So I will connect this positive to D9 here, and then the negative to G here. So as usual, you have to connect your JST connector. Then if you want to test or you want to power, you need to connect the battery. The GND is the one in the middle, and then the VCC, the positive is the one in 5V. So I'm putting it at 5V, 5V out. Then I can power here. You can see. Oh, I'm powering it wrongly. It's supposed to be here. This is where I'm supposed to power. So we are done writing our program, and the program has been uploaded. So I will just have to show you part of the program. Then I will show you how the system works. Now I'm going to insert the battery. You can see. Oh, this cable is still there, though it's not connected to the system. You can see. This shows that this is where we power our battery. Then this cable is one powering our board. You can see, right? So you can see the setup. This is the water inside with our moisture sensor. So the idea is that once there is no water, this is our buzzer. Once there is no water, the buzzer should give a sound. It means there is no moisture. So this is a demonstration. You can see. So it means that there is no water in the soil or in your plants. Immediately I put it back. You see. So this is a moisture detector project.